Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ishwardhan, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering from the Department of CSE Cybersecurity. In this video, we are going to discuss about the copyright registration, judicial powers of the Registrar of Copyrights, fee structure. Copyright registration, a comprehensive guide. This presentation will discuss the ins and outs of the copyright registration, including the process, fees, judicial powers of the registrar, and enforcement of copyright laws. Will also delve into exceptions and limitations of the copyright protection. Overview of copyright registration process. Registration eligibility. Most original works of the authorships are eligible for copyright registration, including literary, musical, dramatic, and artistic works. Filing procedure. Copyright registration can be filed electronically or on paper and involves completing a specific form and submitting relevant information about the work. Examination and approval. The Copyright Office examines the application and issues a certificate of registration if the work meets the legal requirements. Fees for copyright registration. Basic fees. The standard fees for registering a copyright is the most work of $65 per application. Additional fees may apply for expedited processing, multiple works, or special circumstances. Regulated fee. Certain individuals and organizations may be eligible for reduced filing fees, such as non-profit organizations, small business, and certain educational institutions. Next is online versus offline paper filling. Fees. Online filling. The standard fee for online filling is $65 per application, but some additional fees may apply for expedited processing. Paper filling. The standard fee for paper filling is $65 per application, and additional fees may apply for the expedited processing or specific special circumstances. Recent changes of the Copyright Office fee structure. The Copyright Office has recently increased the filing fees to reflect the rising cost of the processing applications and maintaining its services. These changes were implemented to ensure the Copyright Office can continue to operate effectively and efficiently while maintaining the integrity of the copyright registration process. Individuals and organizations should stay informed of any updates to the fee structure and ensure they are paying the correct fees for their applications. Role and powers of Registrar of Copyright Administrative Authority. The Registrar oversees the Copyright Office and is responsible for administering the copyright registration process. Decision making power. The Registrar has the power to make decisions regarding copyright applications, including granting or denying registrations. Advisory role. The Registrar provides advice to Congress on copyright issues, including potential updates to copyright law. The registrar plays a crucial role in administering copyright laws and overseeing the registration of the copyrights. Their role and powers are governed by the relevant provisions and copyrights in the law of jurisdiction and the Copyright Act 1957 in India or similar laws elsewhere. So some of the general roles of the copyrights register includes administration of Copyright Act responsible for enforcing copyright laws and overseeing the copyright registration process. Copyright registration examines and processes applications for copyright registration, maintains the register of copyrights which includes detailed of registered works and their owners. Advisory role so provides advice and guidance on copyright matters of the public, copyright owners, and the other stakeholders. Dispute resolution. Many mediate or assist in involving disputes related to the copyright registration or ownership. Custodian of records maintain all the records and documents related to copyright registrations, assignments, and licenses. So representation represents the copyright office in legal proceedings or governmental discussions about the intellectual properties. Judicial review of the registrar's decision. Right to appeal. Individuals and organizations who disagree with the registrar's decision can appeal to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit. De novo review. The court reviews the registrar's decision de novo meaning they consider the case fresh and do not simply defer to the registrar's finding. Judicial oversight. This process ensures that the registrar's decision and consistent with the copyright law, and that is the rights of the copyright holders are protected. Enforcement of copyrights and penalties for infringement. Civil remedies. Copyright holders can file lawsuits against the infringers inj- seeking injunctions, damages, and other relief, criminal penalties. In certain cases, copyright infringement can be represented as a crime, resulting in fines and imprisonment. Balance of interest. The legal system balance the rights of copyright holders with the public interested in access of creative works. Exceptions and limitations of copyright protection. Fair use. Copyright laws allows for certain uses of copyrighted works without permission, such as criticism, commentary, news reporting, teaching, scholarship and research. Public domain. Works that are no longer protected by copyright are a public domain, meaning they have used it freely without permission. Government works. Copyright protection does not extend to works created by the US government, which is considered public domain. Resources and next steps for copyright registration. Copyright Office website. The Copyright Office website provides comprehensive information about the copyright registration, including forms, fees, and instructions. Legal counsel. It's advisable to consult with an attorney for legal advice regarding copyright registration and enforcement. Thank you.